Everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is video number five palette focus. So today I actually want to get back into focusing on the lime time, the lime green in this palette. I really want that to be the center focus for this look. Don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do, but we will see what we could come up with. Actually, I really don't remember how pigmented this was. Oh yeah, that's pretty pigmented. All right, so let me go get my eyes ready and then we will get into this tutorial. All right, so the eyes are primed and taped. Let's just hope they look like sisters. But I'm gonna go in with the Psychedelic Sister 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. And I'm actually going to go ahead and do that just to go ahead and rim the waterline. So I could already have this part done. And I think I just want to do more of a lime and purple type of look. And keep it very spring-like type of feel. There we go. Perfect. There we go. That easy. Do both sides. Perfect. Oh gosh, it's been a while. Oh. There we go. We are lined and we are watery. Okay. Now, line time. Let me go in with my liner brush. Where is it? I just had it. Hello. Where are you? Aha. Liner brush. Dip into the lime time and just really begin to create the outer part. Like that. And just really begin to create that wing. Perfect. And then going back in with a big fluffy brush. Like this. And just begin to smoke it out. And dip into the line time and really create that smoked out look. Because I'm still deciding on what I want to do. If I want to do anything on the lid or not. But just really creating that depth, that green aura. Yeah. Now actually I'm gonna go in with the which one is this one? Jesus. Freak 24/7. Also lime green. And I think I actually want to just do this right in the crease. Like that. And then bring it there we go. And let me go in with more definer from Anastasia. Brush and just begin to blend that freak out. Perfect. And with this, I actually need to be careful because this eyelid is a lot smaller than this side, so that's always going to be fun to make sure that they're equal. But yeah. So just do that. And then going back in with the other brush with Lime Time. And just begin to blend it out. So I'm gonna go do the other side and then we will be right back. All right, so this is where we are. I'm liking it. But I kind of want to add, I'm gonna go back in with the dye. And I am actually gonna add just a smidge. Right there. It's right in the corner. Add a little bit of depth. Got rid of my eye. And just begin to smoke that out. Go back in with a little bit of dye. And literally just use it right in the corner. Add a little bit of depth. Yep. And just smoke it out. Don't need a lot, just a smidge. And of course, do the same on the other side and we'll be right back. All right, so this is where, ooh, get that lighting, where we are. And I'm actually gonna go in with Brixton and put that just right in the crease. Not an crease on the lid, Jesus. And I think Brixton is more of kind of like a rose gold duochrome, where Leo is more of a greenish turquoise, which you can see in the last video I used, or 2 videos ago or whatever. Perfect. And then gonna go ahead and define that crease again with the Freak liner. Yep. Yep. And just go ahead and blend that out. Then I'm actually going to go ahead and put on some purple mascara as well. Perfect. Then I'll do that to the other side. All right, so this is where we are at. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face because I actually don't know if I want to do anything under yet. But the green and the purple with a little bit of Brixton. Leo. Brixton. So, let me go do the rest of my face. I'll be back and we will see what else I want to do under. See you in a bit. All right, so complexion is on, and I think for the bottom, I think I'm gonna add dye and just smoke it out in the middle and kind of meet it up at the edge. We'll see. So, going in with my liner, brush, get situated, tapping into the dye, and just really begin to really create that smokiness all along the bottom lash line. Perfect. Then going in with the smudger brush, and just begin to just smoke it out, smudge it out, smoke it out. All the above. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. And then I think for the inner corner highlight, and let me go ahead and put Psychedelic Sister on the waterline. Just make it more smoky, more purple. Perfect. I'll do this side again. And then same thing for the other side. Perfect. I'm just going in a little bit more, just to really make sure. Perfect. The edge. There we go. Same thing. Smoke it out, smudge it out as much as you want. And I think for the highlight in the inner corner eye, I actually want to do just a highlighter that I actually am going to use for the brow bone as well. Smoke it out at the edge. Perfect. And there we go. So the highlighter I actually want to use is going to be the Fireball, which is like this duochrome opalescent type of thing going on here. So just gonna take a little bit right onto there, and just right in the inner corner. Blend it into the lid. Perfect. Same thing here. Perfect. Perfect. Actually, let me go and take some on this side and begin to just blend it into dye right there. And then as my brow, perfect. This is one of my favorite highlighters. And then begin to just pat it. Pat, 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 pat. So this is where we are. So let me go and do the rest, my face, my brows, the blush. And I think for blush, I'm going to be using Quiver which is like this red mixed with a little bit of Score from Urban DeCay. There we go. Probably mix those two together with the Sin highlight as the base. So once we get back, we will see the complete finished look. See you in a bit. All right, here is the final look. Actually, you know, actually do love the way this turned out. And this is with a mixture of Quiver with Score for the blush, which I actually really do love the way this came out. Yeah, so Lime Time with a little bit of dye and Brixton right in the middle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is number 5. I swear this is tutorial number 5. But we obviously still have some colors to play with. The blues, the Spitfire, this gold, which is actually really nice. It's classic gold. Corona, we played with before. Beautiful. But quite a few more looks coming through to come, tutorials. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Great for spring coming up. Yeah, see you next video.